Alright, boys and girls, let's try one more lesson, one more example before we finish the lesson out.
Okay. Let's do 57 divided by 6.
57 divided by 6.
One problem. So let me ask the question.
Set it up right.
Do we need to make 57 or almost 57? This one's a little more tricky, so I think I might use a multiplication table.
This will do it on the back side, guys. 57 divided by 6.
The thing about a multiplication table is that it shows me all the multiples of the number. For example, since I want to know how many 6s I can look on this row of the chart and see all the multiples of 6. Here they are. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36.
Oh, nothing times 6 equals 57. It's okay.
That's 57, or almost 57.
Almost 57.
On the list, it looks like 54 is the next closest thing, without being too big, like 60. And to get 54, we need to have 9 6s. So we'll choose 9 as our answer.
Everyone go ahead and put 9 as your quotient.
Multiply 9 by 6.
6 times 9 is?
54.
Subtract away.
3.
54. 57 minus 54 equals?
37. That gives us a remainder of 3. Again, that's good because that's less than our advice. So 57 divided by 6 equals 9 with a remainder of 3. All right, that's all for this lesson. And if you're new to division, that's plenty to get you started.
Plenty to get us started. Alright, and this is where we're going to continue all next week is this basic level, starting with some small numbers that we know how to work with. I've told you before, the stronger you are at multiplication, the better you're going to be at division. Because that's really what your brain is thinking about, is a multiplication problem to solve a division problem. Let's try one more on our own. You guys, I want to challenge you, because I think from the looks of your papers, you guys are getting this. See if you could do one on your own. And I know you guys are good with your multiples of 2 and 3 and 4. So I'm going to do one of those. If I have 25 pieces of candy for my well-behaved students, I want to divide by 4, so I put 25 in the dividend. My divisor is 4. I'm thinking 4 times what gets me close to 25? Thomas. 4 times 5 equals 20. Let's see if that works. 4 times 5 is 20. 25 minus 20 equals 5. Trouble! Remember what they said in the video, Thomas? If this remainder, this extra, is bigger than our divisor, trouble. A red flag needs to go up in your head and go, uh-oh, I might have did something a little wrong. Mel?
6.
Let's try a bigger number, Thomas. Let's try 6. Thomas, what's 4 times 6? 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. Thomas, 25 minus 24? That's smaller than our divisor. That's a good thing. Where's it go? Up here at the top. 6 remainder 1. How do we do, guys? 1. I think I could test on this right now. 2. I need a few more lessons. 3. I'm not quite getting this at all. 1s, 2s, and 3s. I see 1s and 2s. A bunch of 1s and 2s. And I think that's exactly where you guys are at too. I do not have a 3 in here. You guys are getting this. So all next week, when we strengthen our skills, all you 2s, I guarantee will become a 1. We'll do fine on this. Basic division with remainders. Real life problems like giving 9 Miller Millions to 4 students. That's a real life scenario. Splitting up 9 cookies to 4 friends. It happens, right? Any questions, comments, or concerns on division, basic division with remainders? We'll continue this lesson next week, guys. We'll give you a little bit of homework tonight to see how well today's lesson worked. How well are you guys dividing? Can you set up the problem in the right way? Do you set it up with the stage, the quotient, the divisor, and the dividend? We need to start using these words in our everyday vocabulary. That way, there's no questioning or confusion of which numbers we're talking about. Alright guys, go ahead and clear off your desk.